So I've got all my cables connected, and now I'm just alright. Well, not yet. We're testing the continuity. We've got the ground wire connected. Alright, got it there. Switches are on. And so I've got the two hot coming in from here, hitting the two of the bottom, and then the one that's gonna go to the light connected here, and I've got the neutrals tapped. All right, I got the two coming from this side hitting this two, and the hot and the traveler, or the red and the black, hitting here. All right, I got the hot coming in hitting here, and then the two traveler and the hot black hitting this two here. So I got the two coming in from the power, and hitting this two, and the two coming in from the hot and the neutral hitting this two right here. Yeah. Alright, let's go. So we do this one now. I am stripping the ground wire. Thank you, man. I know. I don't know. I'm screwing my ground in. It's not gonna go all the way in, right?
Yeah, it should. Hey, let me see.
Unless I'm doing something wrong.
It might just be.
No, it's not turning this way.
Thing got stripped out, it looks like.
Not whatever, but it doesn't have to be screwed in all the way.
Well, do you want to use the board or no?
No, why?
I mean, we ain't got to.
No, we don't need to, right?
It's just to kind of help hold it in place. I was gonna say I can go get a different bit though, and it'll. What's up to you though?
I don't know, dude. What do you think?
I think your connector came out.
Where?
What do you mean where?
Oh shit. That's not gonna mess up the continuity, is it?
No, it won't. You just can't do that in the field.
No, yeah, of course. Alright.
Cool.
Pull the wire back. That's it, bro.
All right, so we need to get your grounding pigtails in there.
Yeah. Alright. So you do what you did, bro, and then you just does it matter like how like
What you mean?
So I've got the line coming in here connecting to the two on the bottom. Originally I had to swap them because I had done it the other way, and then I have the neutral and the hot coming to the load here, and then I've got two hots on this side, and then the traveler on this side. This is for the 4-way. I've got the two travelers on this side, and the hot coming from here connected here, and then from here this one connected to this one here, and then I've got my neutral spliced on this 3 here, also spliced here, my hot spliced here, and then the hot and the ground here, and then I've got this taped up, but I've got the traveler and the hot coming from here, connected here, or connected here, and then the one for the light is connected right here. So now we'll just turn it on. We're testing the 4-way. That's it. All the buttons work. I got full operation.
Don't turn them on and off at the same time. Turn one on and then go to the next one. Make just one switch, boom, and then come to the next one. That's how you do it. Yep, and then come to the next one. Don't leave that. There you go. There you go. Now just nope. Now keep going. Just hit it. Just flip one time. Only one time. If the light toggles on and off, you got it.
That's it.
You got it, man.
That's it.
You got it. Dang, I hated to get in there.
I'm sure I don't burn anything.
There you go. Get in the picture.
That's it. Or start it again. Put like stop it in there.
I never paid that any attention.
Connected.